Alright, figured I'd do a little update of what's been going on with the cross-playing channel R1. It's been quite a few weeks since I've posted, haven't been riding, been waiting on a lot of parts. Stuff's on back order, coronavirus, blah blah blah. So basically, yeah, she's getting a Swingarm 2 to 6. She's going single rotor, full max effort. Finally the parts are just starting to all get here. Look, we even picked up a brand new pit bull front stands. Got that yesterday to get the front wheel off. I have a front stand, but it's a piece of you know what. If you ever hear of Venom stands, they will make your bike tip over. I got lucky, I caught mine, and I swore to never use it again and threw it in the trash. But this pit bull stand seems to be pretty good. But yep, 2 to 6 arm. Got my little single brake line over here. I got my ABS plug coming in the mail today. I'm just out back going nuts, ripping my hair out, trying to get the old Swingarm out. If anyone tells you it's really easy, it's pretty easy. It's just nerve-wracking when your bike is doing a balancing act. I will actually bring the GoPro out shortly and show you where I'm at with that. It's got me sweating bullets. It's not too much wrenching, it's just nerve-wracking. But yeah, hopefully this all goes smooth. Here's my new arm. Get back to you soon. Alright, here we are hours later. We got the stock swing arm off. There it is, with the extension blocks on it. It was a rough one. Definitely was not something I would recommend to just anybody to do at home. Yeah, I definitely wasn't going to be recording this whole job. But here we are, bam! Evil swing arm on the bike. 2 to 6 arm, looking good. Chain still not on it because I'm waiting for new sprockets. And I'm going to be re-gearing the bike. I'm also going to be doing the ABS delete. Getting rid of the ABS. And getting some weight out of the bike. But I just put it back together for now just to show you guys what it looks like. Looks pretty sick. I'm happy with it. Everything's torqued down. The bike feels good. It's squatting good. Came out pretty good. Haven't rode it yet, but from what I can see, it's gonna be it's definitely gonna be a little bit lighter, especially once I do the ABS delete. I'm happy with it. Looks good. There we are. Got the rear brake on there just temporarily. But yeah, that's about it. That's about all she wrote. I wanted to show you guys me taking the arm out and show you what was involved with that, but it was just too much. It was too humid today. I was sweating. It was just not fun. So all I can do is show you the before and after. Bye bye ugly clip-ons. Alright. Hopefully next time we check in, we'll be seeing some smackdowns.